Hello everyone, we got a problem here in basic mechanics to solve. This problem appeared in a GRE physics exam as shown in the figure. In this problem we are given two blocks, block A and B, with mass is equal to 25 and 10 kilograms respectively. Both these blocks move with constant acceleration equal to 2 meters per second squared to the right, and the coefficient of static friction between the two blocks is 0.8. The static frictional force acting between the blocks is given by these five options, A, B, C, D, and E, and we need to find out the correct answer. Now, in order to find out the static frictional force between the two blocks, block A and B, let us first write down the equation of motion for these two blocks which are moving together with the same acceleration. A, let a force F is acting here on this system of two blocks, F, and this F is given by Newton's second law of motion to be mass of block A plus mass of block B times acceleration of the system. Now this can be further written as mass of block A times its acceleration plus mass of block B times acceleration A. Now this part of the applied force F, which is mb times A, this is the force acting on block B, which of course is coming from block A. But the question is how it comes from block A. It of course is the force of static friction between the two blocks. Think of the problem in this way. Imagine there was no frictional force between block A and block B. Then block B would certainly step down block A as block A started moving. So of course there is a frictional force on B from block A, call this as Fs, which is static frictional force, because there is a zero relative motion between block A and block B. So we call this as Fs, and this force is responsible for keeping block B moving with block A with the same acceleration equal to A. So by Newton's second law, this should be equal to mb times the acceleration A. So now let us plug in the values here. Fs is equal to mb times the acceleration A. mb is equal to 10 kilograms times the acceleration, which is 2 meters per second squared. So this is equal to 20 newtons. And the correct answer here is option A. So if someone misses this kind of argument in solving this problem, that is, the force of static friction between the two blocks is equal to the force on block B given by this formula, then he or she might be wondering about applying this formula, that is, the force of static friction is equal to mu s times the normal force on block B. This formula will lead to a wrong answer. Thanks for watching, guys.